Hey guys, welcome to our channel. In today's video, we'll learn how to create perspective text effect in Canva, easy Canva tutorial. So for us to be able to begin, just head on to canva.com and choose your preferred template. And once you have already chosen, you'll get redirected onto its editor. So the first thing that we need to do in here is to change the background. So let's choose a background that you want to use. So just click onto background color here onto the upper part, and you should be able to find in some solid colors in here or gradients, and you could change the background as per your liking. So for example, I want to use this one or this specific color in here. So right after it is changed, let's go ahead and try to add an outline first for our perspective. So we'll try to go ahead and draw a diamond thing in here. So just click onto elements in here. And here, let's try to find in a shape that would match it. So we could try to use lines for this one. So this specific line, let's go ahead and try to move it just like this. Then we're going to go ahead and try to copy this one out. Let's flip this. So let's add a point in here, the other point here, and let's continue doing this until we go ahead and create a diamond. So it should go ahead and look something like this. Right after here, onto the right side, you should be able to find an apps here onto the bottom part. We're going to go ahead and try to search in here, type craft. Click onto that, and you should be able to find this. So simply click onto that and click onto open to use this specific app. Now there should be an option for you to update the text in here. So for example, we'll add in here perspective, and then you could also try to change the font for that. So there are a lot of fonts available in here. So just choose onto which one you want to use. So for example, this one, we're going to use that. And then right after, once you have already chosen a font, you could also try to choose the style for this. We have unfilled, outline, and many more. You could also change the color for this. So there are a lot of colors available. So for example, you want to go ahead and try to make this yellowish. Choose yellow in here and then white. Then right after, there are also mirror points that you could try to use. So this is how it should look like. You could go ahead and try to readjust this one first to go ahead and match your style. So we'll try to create something more like a diamond thing in here, just like that. And then we'll try to change the color first to maybe yellow as well. It should go ahead and see something like this. And if you try to add this to our element in here, this is how it should look like. So you can make this one bigger, just like that. And you could try to fit this one here and this diamond that we have here onto the back or just like your guide so that you could really match how it should look like. Now you could update the element again, then we try to readjust this and just keep on updating it until you achieve the shape that you're looking for. So if you're satisfied already, just remove the outlines in here. And that is just basically it. How you create a perspective text effect in Canva. If you think this has been helpful to you, don't forget to hit the like, subscribe, and we'll see you on to our next video.